welcome to DD Peeps. Today we are going to be talking about market structure. Now, market structure in general entails a deeper explanation of market trends. Our last video we talked about market trends, market making higher highs and higher lows, market moving towards the upside, and the downtrend, which was literally the opposite of the uptrend, market moving to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs. And then we had an explanation, which was market moving in a range, making equal highs and equal lows, making equal highs and equal lows. So that was in our last video. Now in this other video, we are going to talk deeply more about market structure. Now, market structure is a more refined definition of market trend. Market structure shows you where market is moving to at that exact time, what market is about to do, when market is about to reverse, and when market is about to shift structure, when market trend is about to shift. Now, if we look at this closely, market has been in an uptrend. We have higher lows, break this, higher high, a low, break this, a higher high, a low, didn't take out this low, so we are still in an uptrend. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this from here, we have this, broke this, strong push to the upside, we have this, we have this. Now you can see throughout this phase, market has been in an uptrend. Now if you come down here, you will see that market shift, an uptrend, couldn't take out, come back, gives us a low, couldn't take out this previous high. Market couldn't take out this previous high. Instead, market gave us a higher low. The market came back down and purged this very low, purged this low, and give us this high. Then once again, purge this low and give us this high. And some people will be tricked to say, market is now bullish because this high has been taken out. But you can see this high was internal. So market purged this again and gives us another low. And you can see here that market has changed structure. This is the market structure. Now, right in this place here, where market took out this low, you can call this a market structure shift. Market structure shift. Market has shift structure right here. This market structure shift, known as MSS. Market has shift structure right there. You can see that this low failed to hold. So market broke this low and pushed down. Broke that low, pushed down. And then we have another break here, another significant break here. The market took this low out. Market took this low out, and we can see that this here is a break of this structure. This right here is a break of this structure. This structure that market had here. Market had this structure here. Could not break. Now market came down, broke this structure, the downside, swept it. You have seen market swept this and gives us this new range. That's the new market range. So this is a break of structure to the downside. Let's just write a BOS, break of structure to the downside, and then market rallied up again. Now you see from where we have this break, this is the high that caused this break of structure. So until market takes out this high, we are still bearish because we have seen a change in market structure shift. We have had an MSS, which is market structure shift. That is a change in market structure. We add a break of structure to confirm our bearish move. And market just consolidates and continues giving us break of structures to the lower side, to the downside. Another break of structure. That break of structure right here. Market break structure here again. Not very clean, but it's still a break of structure. Close with a body. Another break right here. Another break of structure right here. You see, market continues in that way until this point where market starts making shift. Now you see here, market broke the last structure, gave us this high, failed to take out this low. Market failed to take out this low right here. So you can see now, market failed to take out this. Market failed to take out this low. Then market came along to give us a break of this structure to the upside. We broke that higher low, making this now a higher high. This point here now becomes a higher high. You can see uptrend markings right here. Higher high, higher low, another higher. You can see that higher low, higher high, higher low. Didn't take out this, so pushed up again to give us another higher high, another higher high. Give us a higher low. Now this is not a higher high because it did not take out the recent high. This is a new higher high. Market punched down again. Higher low, higher high, higher low. Failed to take out this high. Can see the next move market makes is here. Now you can see market, we had a market structure shift right here. The market structure shift, even here, can be known as a market structure shift. Market structure shift. But I would like to use this more confirmed and reliable because it took out the last high, lower high in the market. So you can call this market structure shift. But I'll just go with this one. I'll just go with this one as my market structure shift. Then we have this low. We have a break of structure right here to the upside. We have a break of structure. And a lot of people will be asking, break of structure, does candle need to break or does it need to break with the body? The candle needs to close. It needs to have a body closure for a good break of structure. And you see here again we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure of this high. This high was taken out here. We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure there. Then this high too was taken out. We have a break of structure here. Market just keeps breaking structure to the upside. Now you have noticed one thing. Once market creates an MSS, once market creates an MSS, market keeps pushing for break of structures, break of structures, break of structures. And when markets will now change to another downtrend is when markets create a change of character. Some people call it change in distribution, but I call it change of character. Now you see that markets took out the low that this uptrend originated from. This very uptrend here, this very uptrend here, market took out the low that this uptrend originated from. First of all, broke the uptrend, give us more little push to the upside, and then sold off from here. Market sold off from here, giving us an MSS right here. MSS right here. Now this is a sign that market is changing. So bearish side. Market is moving towards the bearish side. Then market gives us a break of structure, takes out this break of the structure, break of structure. This here too is another break of structure. So this is like a double break of structure. A double break of structure. At the same time, market takes out two structures, two double break of structure. This is a double break of structure. And that is a very good sign that the bearish or the bears are in charge of the market at the moment. Then this right here is a change of character. This right here is a change of character. Now this is to tell you that the bullish move was a retracement to fill up orders in the market, and then you can see the bearish move is very impulsive and inefficient. We are having multiple imbalance here. We are having multiple imbalance here. Multiple imbalance in the market. Multiple imbalance. Multiple imbalance. All these imbalance, imbalance, imbalance. Don't worry. So to make this more clear, imbalance are those zones in the market that the candle is not touching. So yeah, we're having multiple imbalance, and then this is a change of character. So simply make this simple. Market moves like this. Let's say this is a higher time frame. This is the higher time frame. Market is moving up. Then we start having something like this on the lower time frame. There is a structure shift, a retracement, a break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, a change of character. Yes, this is exactly how market moves. Now you see the last move here that broke this very structure is what we call a change of character. This is a change of character. That's a change of character. And the little moves in between, this is an MSS. This is an MSS, market structure shift. This is an MSS. And then these are break of structures. Break of structures. Break of structures. Break of structures. Let me just write that. Break of structure. And then this right here is a double break of structure. This move right here, this is because this is a break of structure right here. This is a break of structure. And this is another break of structure. But this structure here took out the last structure that we had here while market was in an uptrend. Now taking out this structure, internal structure and external structure is what we call change of character or a double break of structure. And sometimes double break of structure can occur inside here. So this is a change of character, while something like this, something like this, something like this is a double break of structure. Yes, this is more clear and more double break of structure because you see multiple structures here that were broken. So this is a double break of structure, and this is a change of character, and also a double break of structure at the same time. Meanwhile, this one here, in as much as it is a double break of structure, you can see that it broke this structure but did not take out this structure here. But did not take out this structure here. So you can see that double break of structures and change of character are different. That's what most traders don't understand. Yes, most traders don't understand that double break of structures and change of character are different. So to bring this video to the end, I don't want to make it very long. And one thing, don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel for more videos like this. This is a market structure shift where market makes a change from the upside to a downside, or from the downside to the upside. These are break of structures where market is taking out previous lower lows or lower highs or higher highs. And then this is a change of character where market takes out external or higher time frame structures, higher time frames, higher lows, or higher time frames, lower highs. And then a double break of structure is when market takes out two lows or two double equal lows, like probably when the market is ranging and then market breaks out. That is a double break of structure. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Bluff.